Welcome again to this demonstration in the series of the art of splitting wood. I will today show you a very ingenious method of saving energy and work when splitting wood. You might have noticed when you're splitting that when this log is splitted, there, the pieces are falling to the ground and you have to pick them up, and this is a lot of work. You're doing this all the time. It's not good for your back. It's very tiring. It's the most tiring part of the splitting work, really. So we get rid of that one, and we will use this car tire instead. So and now we can split the wood pieces very fast because they are not falling to the ground. So we were saving a lot of work here, really. I can just take these pieces up and put them where I want. I don't have to bend down one single time. Now I will show you how to build this one. So here it is how it looks. I've split these parts in the car tire, and I can now take them out of here and place them where I want without bending down at all. I will soon show you how this is built when I moved all these pieces. So there you are. Now, when you're finished, you can wipe this out, because it's a space between this chunk and the tire, as you will see here. This space is good because you can wipe out everything, every waste that is coming out of the splitting. And you will also gain some height. You will actually get a very good height for this. They are not falling out of this car tire. Well, how it's made? It's made of 4 parts of these wood pieces. It's a 40mm square wood piece, and I put 2 screws at each. It's very important to make this log the right size, but you will finish it with an axe so it will fit. It will be slightly smaller in the diameter than the car inside of the car tire. The car tire is just placed on this. You can see how. We'll take it off and demonstrate. You will see here that there is a cutting in the upper part of each, so the tire can rest on that part. And actually it's not falling out. It's easy to press on, but it's not falling out. And this is a very genius way and very simple way to make this car tire for splitting and chopping the wood. Good luck!